route to Race Centric right now, just to get the exhaust on, and pretty excited about it. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning, which isn't too early, but yeah. But the only thing is, it's like rush hour traffic, so everyone's like on their high horse. You know, whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool. Kind of enjoy having these last like quiet moments in the car, because I know it's gonna get louder. It is going to get louder. My only concern is this drone, and especially like in the cabin and whatnot. But just because if you guys remember my Remark exhaust review, that was, even though the car really wasn't that loud, the drone was like terrible. But like with the AWE track, which was another exhaust, with the AWE track with STI, it was actually loud, but not drone. Like, it wasn't bad. But yeah, I actually was gonna go with AWE in the beginning with this Type R, but only thing was like I hate the tip design. It really just solely designed. Sound-wise, sounds great and whatnot. And I also kind of wanted to stick with like a JDM brand exhaust. So yeah, just initial thoughts. But I'll see you guys when we get there. Yeah, it's quite the lineup we have here. Got the ISO up. But yeah, we're next to a GTST. We got the M3 here. Yeah, really cool lineup. Also got a really sick like FD and a turbo, or 996 Turbo S. Really cool. I'm also just gonna take a wild guess and say this is the exhaust right here. All right. Oh wow, such a big box for for got a lot of pipe. Yeah, I know, right? Interesting. Oh wow. Look at that. Yeah. Pretty.
Those are nice.
Yeah, really nice.
With the Greddy Performance product logo on
yeah,
the corners. Yeah.
Nice. Holy shit. That is huge. My goodness. It's the ARC-7.
Oh, gee. Told you not to worry about it.
Nah, for real. Yep, here is the underside. It's looking pretty good. Yeah. Got the front pipe here, which I'll eventually do. Other than that, it's looking clean. Jesus.
For real. Single. Oh.
Man,
no more 2 pipes.
I know, right?
2 pipes.
Yep. Apparently, you gotta hammer out these studs to get it to all fit. Interesting. It's a good thing I took it here, because then I would have not known to do that. ready to go. Sounds really, really good, actually. I was worried it'd be a little too loud, but I think it's perfect. Sounds that was my AWE track, which is honestly a good thing, or my NVIDIA when I had it on my FRS, but yeah, it does look good though. Yeah, get a little closer. Yeah, sounds really good. I do like the dual tip a lot better than the triple tip over there. But yeah, sounds really good. I like it a lot. All right, so starting it up. Sounds really good. So we're gonna test out the drone now. Everything's all buttoned up, like I said. And I also need to find a way out of here. But yeah, sounds really good. Everything's all good. Oh man, I haven't had an exhaust in so long, in almost a year. Oh my. I missed having an exhaust, man. I'm gonna actually roll up the windows real quick. Just to get a feeling of the drone. There is drone. But I mean, and you do, I'm not even speaking that loud. Like this would be my normal cruising. It's really not that bad. Sorry if I also like spike the mics too much. I've noticed that with these ones when I'm doing it on my phone. So just a heads up there. But yeah, it sounds really good, and it's not too droney. But I'm gonna roll the windows down again because it sounds. I just need to get an intake now. Alright, so RJ in the future here, interrupting this video. It is just going to go straight into the flybys, into the revs and all that stuff. Just so I know some of you are just interested in that. And if you are, after everything, you can click off. But then afterwards is just going to be my thoughts. So here it is. I'm happy with it. It is a little bit boomy. I will say, it, like initial first impression, it does feel boomy. Well, we're about to like, hop on the freeway in a bit, so then I'll really see how the drone is. Another thing that I will probably do is disconnect the active sound that's on the 21s. A lot of people do that just because the actual drone gets really fed in. But I'm talking normally. I mean, I won't. It's not whisper quiet, but like, it's not bad. This is what I'd normally be cruising on. We're going 55 miles an hour right now, and on the edits, or when I'm editing it, I will try my best to mimic the sound that I hear. First impressions, really good. When you get on it, it gets a little drony, but it's not bad. It's just nice just to have like sound again with a car, especially with this car. It's really it's not that loud. Besides like the active noise thingy, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Took you guys off the mic, but yeah, it's been about 30 minutes right now. Definitely gonna have to unplug that noise, the active noise thingy. Started to feel the drone, but I mean, day to day for my drives, I don't drive that far. I don't even take the freeway when I drive, so it's really not that bad. I've had louder. My in video with the what you call it? Tomei exhaust, the Tomei headers, definitely louder, but it's good. I like it. Like, I think there's a level of like drone that anyone can handle. Because some people will even have like a Tomei all the way through and say it's not that loud, but and then some people will have like a NVIDIA Q300 and say it's loud on Q. Like from what I've read, Q means that it's quiet. But it's not that loud. It really is not that loud. It's a Type R. It's a Type R, so not that loud. A couple of the other exhausts I was looking at. So I was looking at the Tomei, the Type S in particular. And I know those sound really good, like outside, but I've heard the drone can be a lot. So that was one. I was also looking into the HKS Spec L. Not the Legomax, just because I like the look of the Spec L better. But, what you call it? I've heard it in person, and I'm a little disappointed with it, just because you're spending like $1,600, $1,700 on a, like, I understand it's HKS, but you're spending that much on an exhaust, and it just sounds so similar, and I couldn't like justify it. And it was also a little bit too tinny for me, personally. I know it's HKS, it's a great company and everything, but it just wasn't for me. And I was really trying to stay JDM, because I know I originally planned for the MXP and the AWE, but my goal for this build is to stay JDM as possible, besides the steering solutions and the shift knob. Those are interior stuff, but I'm really happy with this, actually. I think it's worth the price. If you don't want to spend too much, there's also the Greddy SP if this is too loud for you. But I went with the DDR, so really happy with it. One thing I've noticed is there's like a little burble to it. I don't know how else to describe it. I don't know how to like kind of do it, but it's kind of like when you're off throttle, it kind of burbles a little bit, and it's kind of, it's fun. I miss having a like louder exhaust. Like, I know like things are a little different right now because, you know, I got a little one, but like, I don't know if you guys heard that. So I'm gonna try to get it where guys hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do want more content on the more exhaust stuff, I can try that. It's kind of hard to do flyby clips, especially in busy areas where I'm at. But yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.